Hey guys, another video. Oh, another great video. Hey, and one thing, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, share all my videos. Please, 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 please. So in this video, another CKA video, we are going to be doing Taints and Toleration. This one on the KillerCoda.com. Like I said before, it is a free website where you can practice for the CKA, CKS, and CKAD. All right. And Taints and Toleration. Let's see what we are going to get hit with. So run the command to list the taints applied to node 01. So you can do the k get node 01, and if you do the show labels, this is different. So the show labels, what it's going to show, it's just the labels, right? Basically with labels you could also schedule a pod to go into a node, but in this case it's taint and toleration. So whenever you taint something, it's meaning that if I taint node 01 with let's say blue, and if your pod does not have that toleration of blue, it won't be able to schedule it to node 1. So it's just a little bit different, right? Just me trying to learn, trying to remember. That's why I was trying to explain that. But if you want to list the taint, you have to do, I think, you have to do describe nodes, node 01, and then you want to pipe this to grep, and then you do capital TAIN, and there we go. Taints is equals to dedicated special user no schedule. So therefore, if a pod does not have a toleration of dedicated equals to special user no schedule, it won't be able to get into this node, right? It won't be able to be scheduled to this node. So now view the file in your home directory named pod YAML. Apply the correct toleration to this pod manifest in order for it to successfully get scheduled to node 01. After modifying, go ahead and run the k apply command. That makes sense. You create the run, and then run the command k get pod wide to verify that the pod status is running and is actually in node 01. Okay, vim pod YAML. There we go. Over here there's no toleration, right? Because to the taint, whenever you taint something, it's going to be a node. If you want to add toleration, it's going to be to a pod. All right, so you can go over here and do like search for taints. If you go to the Kubernetes documentation, because that's what the only thing that you're going to have access to whenever you are doing this exam. So as you can see over here, tolerations, we add the key equals. So I think this is the one that we need to do. Tolerations key equals the value, right? So key value, yeah, this is the one that we need, I believe. So for this, let's go ahead and open a new tab and go ahead and run the k get okay describe node 01 pipe it to grep taint. So we can have the taint here. Paste the toleration, but this one needs to, I think we need to have some indentation here. This one needs to be right here. Oops, like that, I think, yeah. And then like this. I mean, we can see it if we find one. Or yep, indentation, correct. Oh my god, I'm getting good at it. I'm getting good at this stuff, guys. So now we need to go ahead and edit the key. The key is going to be dedicated, right? Dedicated, and the value is going to be what? It's a special user. Yeah, special dash user. So just like this, and no schedule, just like that. Okay, so that should be good. Go ahead and save this real quick. Now we are going to create this pod via the create f pod YAML. It has been created. Now if we do the k get pod ngInx and we do the y, you see that it is creating the container and it looks like it's going into node 01 and it is up and running. Let's go ahead and go next. Well done. You solved this challenge. You solved this challenge with me. Guys, if you like this video, why don't you go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment on the description below if you're also trying to go for the CKA exam. And if you have scheduled it already, good luck. And yeah, I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.